I have the pleasure to introduce Claire from the incubator Tarmac for a 15-minute presentation. So Claire, you have the
Hello,
floor.
everybody.
Hello.
So I will share my screen. I think it's not the right.
Pour le moment, c'est Innovalet.
Vous voyez Innovalet?
Innovalet pour l'instant.
Okay, it's right. I can see what I'm sharing, so yes, it's okay. So Tarmac is an incubator that was funded by Innovalet Association. So that's why I will start by presenting you quickly what is Innovalet. So Innovalet was the first technological park created nearly 50 years ago, and it's one of the 15 French technological parks certified by a national organization called RETIS. And the bet was to make innovation a booster for local economy. And so to come to Innovalet, there is an application process and a selection committee that verify the activity of the companies that want to settle here. And we accept 70% of innovative companies and 30% of support companies. And 50 years after, it's a successful bet because Innovalet today, it is 360 innovative companies, 11,000 jobs and nearly 1,000 researchers. Our companies are very innovative. They have around 7,000 patents, and half of their activities are R&D activities. We have 40% of international companies, and they generate an important turnover on the ecosystem. Half of their activity is an industrial activity because a lot of our companies are on smart technologies and digital industries. And half of them were startups that have historically been created and have developed on Innovalet. The technologies of our companies are essentially today smart technologies, and they have excellencies in all technologies of the future, such as on AI, on IoT, on blockchain, embedded low energy systems, and some of these technologies, and applied to all the major societal challenges, such as biotech, medtech, smart cities, smart buildings, smart energy, edtech, fintech, proptech. So they cover a lot of technological sectors. And the originality is that we are the only technological park managed by an entrepreneurs association to energize the network. The missions of Innovalet, historically, we have a mission is to contribute to innovative economic growth through 4 major strategic axes. 1, attractivity and lobbying, to attract new companies, but also new talents for these companies because they recruit a lot, and to attract talent is a real challenge for them. Network animation, because it's very important to work together. Business facilities, we have a lot of services, mutualized services for small companies, and entrepreneurship booster. We have always organized a lot of entrepreneurs professional events, and that's why we created Tarmac 7 years ago. So Tarmac is a startup, technological startup incubator to boost startup growth and help them at the beginning. Our ambitions were to enable companies to accelerate their time to market, because we know that for technological companies, time it's very important to go quickly to the market, and they start by an idea of a product, of a technological product, and they have many challenges to find some financials, to find the market, to develop the sales, etc., to recruit. And so we help them on all these first steps to go to the market. Our ambition is also to enhance local and international business connections and to increase economic success, because in France there are some statistics that shows that if you create a loan, you have 50% of risk to fail in the 3 or 5 first years. And if you come to an incubator, your risk is very, very lower. At Tarmac, we have 80% of perennity of startups, and it's very important for us. Tarmac is an innovative private and public model because rental facilities are owned by public authorities, and that's why the prices are very low, because it's a real engagement of public authorities to help activity creation. And all the entrepreneurial support is managed by Innovale and by its partners, because we have a partnership strategy with all kinds of actors. So they are not all seated here because it's not exhaustive. It's very, but we work with every local partner, with all the Grenoble ecosystem on financing, with schools and lab, with clusters, with partners to industrialize, because we have a lot of smart industry. So we have microelectronics challenges, and we need some help to come from the prototype to the product on the mass market. So we work with everybody, and it's a real collective work to boost our startups. We have also a strong involvement in international programs. We were labelized French Tech Tickets 3 years ago, so we hosted 2 international startups. We are labelized French Tech Visa, and we labelized the 6th project, and we have 2 international projects actually incubated at Tarmac, one from the USA and one from India. And we are involved in an international project managed by French Tech in the Alps called PHASE, and it is a soft landing bootcamps program for international startups to discover international ecosystem. And Tarmac, it is an all-inclusive offer and an on-demand program. We have hosting. Tarmac, it's 2 buildings of 2,000 square meters each, of full equipped and flexible offices. We have also some meeting rooms, a fab lab, and everything to. The objective is you come and you can start working on your project very easily, and it's very flexible, because when startups start, generally there are 2 persons and they need a very small office, and after they grow, and so they can take a second one, and after a bigger one, and everybody moves very quickly in Tarmac to grow very easily. We have a boosting program. We organize around 100 professional events each year, and these events can be a workshop, training, meetups, a share of experiences. We can organize some meetings with VCs. We organize a lot of things on every kind of thematic, such as marketing, sales, legal, financial, every kind of challenges that young entrepreneurs have to relive. And the third thing is networking, because the strength of an incubator is the community of entrepreneurs that can share their experiences to accelerate. And it's very, very important. And we organize a lot of networking events, and it's an important part of our activity. And if we have a look on Tarmac Impact, in 7 years, we have hosted nearly 100 projects. Today, it's 70 startups alive, more than 450 jobs. Our startup generated more than 80 million of turnover, and they could raise more than 300 million of euros in equity, but not also, and so with loans and with subventions, and not only equity, but also with equity. So, some of us, of Tarmac stars, there are much more, but we have some stars in smart energy, such as Lancé Energy Storage or Waga Energy. We have a lot of deep tech startups that come from, for example, that come from Linxium. It was the case of Lancé Energy Storage. They started at Linxium, and after they came to Tarmac, and after they went to another accelerator. So in Grenoble, you have an ecosystem for all steps of the development of your startup, and it's very important. We hosted also Waga Energy. We have some big startups in AI, such as MeteoSwift or Neovision, or we have some startups in web and IoT, and also some startups in health, such as NH TerraGeeks, Chihive Tech, or Remedy. 3 of them have raised next year more than 10 million euros each. And if I have a look on the keys of our success, I believe it is a shared passion for entrepreneurs, because it's a daily collaborative work with all actors of innovation and entrepreneurship. We have a native startup culture and spirit, because if Innovale is an association, more than 80% of our budget is private. And we are organized like a real company. So every question that our startups have to ask themselves, we have to ask ourselves too. We have also a strong network of trusted partners, because we all work on the ecosystem for many years, and so we know each other very well. And at each step, we can make a call to the right person at the right moment, and it's very important for our entrepreneurs. And we have an accurate sense of entrepreneurs community, and I think that the Tarmac is a kind of family, and pleasure to work is very important, because we spend a lot of our times, everyone, at jobs on Tarmac, and it's very important to be pleased to come here and to work together. And so that's all for me.